Speedography, Volume 2, Exercise 3. Speed 100 word per minute. Start. Sir, the central assistance to the states has been cut by rupees 1.33 crores. You say it is a drastic change for the first time. Yes, but only in the manner of transfer of resource allocation to the states and central assistance to the states. It used to be 42% in the previous budget, but in this budget it has been brought down to 24%. Devolution of states' share of taxes was 49%. Now it is untied. That is why I said committed and non-committed 63%. Where is the remainder amount gone? Para. The non-plan grants and loans have been increased from 9% to 13%. So the actual numbers remain the same. The center still has the same funds. Forget about the cess about after cess go directly to the Consolidated Fund of India. When you add up these numbers, I am surprised on what basis this claim is being made, and people are being misled that this government is over generous and it has done something which was never done right from the days of Jawaharlal Nehru to Dr. Manmohan Singh, and the states are major beneficiaries, but I will tell you and prove that the states will be losers. Para. Now what are the 4 pillars to make in India? The first is Invest India. That was a company set up between the government of India and the industry, with FIGI as a partner company on the 1st of January 2010 through a cabinet decision. The other pillar is you want to raise the share of manufacturing. We all wanted to do that. You must achieve that. Bring it up from 17% to 26%. Create 100 million jobs. Para. Shri Arun Jaitley is knowledgeable. He would have read the National Manufacturing Policy. That is exactly what it said, but that is not on paper. That is something which is under implementation, but principal instrumentality being the National Investment Manufacturing Zones, 16 of which were notified. Your budget mentions 2. In Maharashtra, you have reported the progress and allocated a little but more fund. The second one is the in Gujarat. I am happy that you mentioned that 4 of these industrial manufacturing cities were launched during our period.